to adjust this tension on your bobbin will be this screw right here. Okay, you loosen the nut and then you bring in the screw. And you want the same amount of tension on your bobbin thread as you have on the top.
And where's your top tension adjustment?
Top tension adjustment is right here in the white spot. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the take-up adjustment, let me show you that right quick. The take-up adjustment is going to be over here on this side, which will be at this position. Let me get it. See it. Right here. That adjusts the take-up, how much thread to pull out of the material, or to place the lock, or to place the lock in the material.
Okay.
Let me show it's got two nuts on the back side, which you have to loosen. Loosen these two, the lock nut and then the other nut. Then you can take your T-wrench, put it in there, and it's a cam action, and it'll move this part here in position. Okay, this right here adjusts, these two screws adjust your presser foot lift on your walk when you have material in there. Either way, this one here, if you back this one off, screw this one in, gives you less lift, which this is what lifts your presser foot. And I'll bring it to that location. If you see how it's engaging here, you see how it's going to lift. I've got about 1/8 of an inch lift right now. And that's by backing this screw off and screwing this one in. Okay, now if you went the other direction, back this one off and screw this one in, it gives you more lift. Okay.
And the spring?
This is your tension spring for your presser foot, how much pressure you want on your material, pushing down on your material. And you make that adjustment here. Back off this nut and then take your screwdriver and you can adjust it right here. And raises it up and down. Take this wrench, your 5/8 wrench, loosen this nut, and you can move this up or down.
And what is this?
This is your stitch adjustment. It adjusts the length of your stitch. It adjusts the length of your stitch. All the way down gives you 4 stitches per inch. The max stitches that you get per inch is 12, and that's at its up position. And then lock it in place. Your thread arm will take your thread back, and your thread eye will feed the thread into your needle. Okay?
So then get it in focus. Okay.
Okay. Okay, zoom into your needle. Your shuttle, ready? Starts over. Any fine tuning that you need to do on your shuttle, if it's not picking up your thread early enough, skipping stitches, make your adjustment right here, these 2 screws. You loosen one and tighten the other, and it'll take you in one direction or the other, whichever way you need to go. It's these 2 screws right here. That's just for the fine tuning on your shuttle point.